I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your personal information on Orange 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Orange 2026 app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal details. Step 3. Edit personal information. In the Profile Settings, look for the option to edit your personal information. Click on it to make changes to your name, address, or contact details. Step 4. Save your changes. After updating your information, make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save or Update button. Step 5. Verify the updates. Log out and look back to ensure your changes have been applied correctly. Check the Profile section again to confirm everything is accurate. If you accidentally miss the Save button, your changes won't be applied, so double check before logging out. I hope this helps you keep your information up to date.